Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert Excel to PDF in one page. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to convert Excel to PDF in one page. Steps to convert Excel to PDF. This is possibly the most common way to turn your Excel workbook into a PDF. It may be best to use Save as option rather than Save, so you have your original format as well as the PDF version. To do so, open your workbook which you want to convert, head to File, then Save As. Click Browse. In the Save As type drop-down, select PDF. Press Options. Under Publish What, choose to publish using Entire Workbook. This will convert the whole workbook as PDF. Active Sheets. This will convert only the sheets with data as PDF. Selection. This will convert a previously highlighted selection as PDF. Click OK to close the options window. Click Save to save the new PDF version. How to convert Excel to PDF online? Compared to the previous technique, this method of converting Excel to PDF requires a few more steps, but works almost 100%. To convert Excel to PDF online, open your web browser on your computer. Then, visit https://www.adobe.com/in/acrobat/online/excel to pdf.html. After that, click on Select File option to choose and upload the Excel file you want to convert. Finally, click on Download to save the converted file to your PC as a PDF format. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to convert Excel to PDF in one page using two easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.